A very good evening to everyone. Today we have in the second session of our program schedule of the Pharmacist Talks, that is the webinar that is on related career guidance talk that is requested for 1 month early that about your joining and etc. and all. So we have long waiting for that from we are able to hear some new outreach of that particular career guidance that we can get from Madam Madhavi Latha Madam. She is now today with all of us. So without further delay, I am requesting Srija to introduce our eminent speaker for today, and let's begin the session with a great achievement for upcoming days. And hand it over to you, Srija.
Good evening, everyone. So, I would like to share something about our eminent speaker. Dr. C. Madhavi Latha is an accomplished academician and researcher with a remarkable career spanning the fields of pharmacology and medical anatomy. Currently serving as the professor and principal at the Department of Pharmacology, Sree Venkateswara College of Pharmacy, New York. She brings an impressive blend of expertise and leadership to the pharmaceutical science domain. She completed PhD from JNTUA 2012 to 2016 and an additional MSc in medical anatomy from Sri Venkateswara University 2013. Dr. Madhavi dedication to academia is reflected in her numerous accolades, including the Bharat Ratna Award from Delhi, Global Awards 2020 from Pondicherry, and the Academic Excellence Award 2022 from Bangalore. She has also led impactful initiatives like DST-NIMT sponsored entrepreneurship awareness camp and has held key roles and editor in chief of the journal Advance in Pharmacology and Toxicology. Her contributions extend internationally as an advisor member to Lusaka Apex Medical University in South Africa and as a presenter at global conference in Nepal and Hong Kong. She has also been a prominent reviewer for estimate journals such as AAPS, Bentham, and Elsevier. With over 60 research articles, 45 reviews, 10 book chapters, and 120 conferences to her credit, Dr. Madhavi Latha has significantly advanced the field of pharmacology. She has published books such as an overview of disease 2023 and pharmacology and artificial intelligence 2024, holds 9 patents, and has guided numerous postgraduate and undergraduate research projects. Dr. Madhavi Latha's professional affiliations include life membership in APTI, IPA, IPGA, ISCA, APP, and International Pharmaceutical Federation (FIP). She has been recognized with the prestigious fellowships and continues to inspire the next generation of pharmacists as a research supervisor for PhD scholar at JNTUA. Her dedication to advancing pharmaceutical education and research is further evidenced by her achievements, including the National Education Brilliance Award 2023, Bharat Gaurav Puraskar and Certificate of Excellence 2023, and the Global Achievers Award Excellence Award 2023. This extensive expertise and dynamic leadership position Dr. Madhavi Latha as a transformative figure in the pharmaceutical science, blending innovation, mentorship, and global outreach. Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank you,
ma'am.
Srija, for this brief introduction about our today's eminent speaker, Dr. C. Madhavi Latha Madam. And without further delay, I am handed over to the session to our eminent speaker today. Please start, Madam, from your end.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Srija, ma'am. This is Dr. C. Madhavi, Professor and Principal of Sri Venkateswara College of Pharmacy. So I extend my gratitude to everyone involved for giving this opportunity. Pharmacist Talk is an exceptional program organized by the team offering an outstanding platform for the students to explore career opportunities following B Farm, and Pharm.
Hello,
So let
ma'am.
us start.
Sorry to interrupt you. Your voice is echoing from our end actually. So if it is possible that you can mute the speaker one.
Speaker. Okay. Now is it okay, sir?
Yeah, yeah. Now is it okay, ma'am? Thank you.
Okay, sir. Today we discuss about the directs for success, expert tips to launch an impactful pharmacy career. Today we discuss about that pharmacy is a versatile, dynamic, growing and increasingly diverse profession. So one which creates an excitement because there are so many opportunities for an age-old profession which has transformed into the hub of global healthcare. So here global healthcare is nothing but it is an area for study, research and practice that places priority on improving health and achieving equity in health. So, on the other hand, unfortunately, in the eyes of the public, the role of pharmacist is registered to merely buying and selling of medicine. So, the pharmacy profession is always a choice of preference for the medical aspirant. There are many other medical or paramedical courses, but from career opportunities point of view, the profession of pharmacy will provide many job opportunities in this field. Nowadays, the pharmacy industry and profession are experiencing rapid changes due to advanced technological innovations and ideas sweeping across the world. To educate what the patient do. So, educate patients about prescription and over-counter medication. So,
Hello,
what is
ma'am.
over-counter medicine? So, those that can
Hello,
be
ma'am.
sold directly to people without prescription. So, which one mainly used to treat normal cold, cough, diarrhea,
Hello, ma'am.
constipation. No, sir?
Yes, ma'am. I am Shaukat. Ma'am,
Okay.
your voice is echoing as well as your slide is not changing from our end, ma'am.
So, actually, problem with the
Ma'am, if there is any problem for sharing from your end, can you please share the slide with me? Then I can
is
share
it
as well.
now okay?
Yeah, the voice is problem is now okay, but yeah, the slide is not changing.
Okay, is it now?
No, I hope no, ma'am.
Is it okay, sir?
No. You just able to please share the full screen and then start the presentation once again.
Phone screen.
Yeah, just please stop sharing and just share it in a full screen mode, ma'am.
Screen sharing. Is there already? Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Is it okay, sir?
Yes, ma'am. But the you are sharing your screen, but there is not changing in the slide.
Okay.
We are viewing the first slide only, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I hope you have joined from another device like one computer or laptop. You
Yes,
just
sir.
stop. Yes, just stop sharing from there this end.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah. And then in again screen share mode, you share the entire screen.
Now is it okay, sir?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yeah.
So here, so pharmacy is a versatile, dynamic, growing and increasingly diverse profession. One which creates an excitement because there are so many opportunities for an age-old profession, which has transformed into the hub for global healthcare. So here, global healthcare is nothing but it is an area for study, research, and practice that places priority on improving health and achieving equity in health. On the other hand, unfortunately, in the eyes of the public, the role of pharmacist is restricted to merely buying and selling of medicine.
The
So the
pharmacy
pharmacy
profession is
profession is
always a
always a
choice
choice
of
of
preference for the
preference for the
medical
medical
aspirants.
aspirants.
There are
There
many
are
other
many other
medical or
medical or
paramedical
paramedical
courses,
courses,
but from
but
career
from career
opportunities
opportunities
point of
point of
view,
view,
the
the
profession of
profession of
pharmacy they
pharmacy they
provide
provide
many job
many job
opportunities in
opportunities
this
in this
field.
field.
Nowadays,
Nowadays,
the
the
pharmacy
pharmacy
industry and the
industry and the
profession are
profession are
experiencing
experiencing
rapid
rapid
changes
changes
due to
due to
advanced
advanced
technology,
technology,
innovations,
innovations,
and
and
ideas
ideas
sweeping
sweeping
across the
across
world.
the world.
So, what
So,
do
what do
pharmacists do?
pharmacists do?
Educate
Educate
patient
patient
about
about
prescription and
prescription and
over-the-counter
over-the-counter
medication.
medication.
So, what
So,
is
what is
over-counter
over-counter
medicine?
medicine?
So,
So,
those that
those
can
that
be
can be
sold
sold
directly to
directly to
people
people
without
without
prescription.
prescription.
They
They
treat
treat
cold,
cold,
cough,
cough,
diarrhea,
diarrhea,
constipation,
constipation,
aims
aches
like that.
like that.
So
So
here
here
that
that
they
they
advise
advise
other
other
healthcare
healthcare
professionals
professionals
on drug
on drug
decision for the
decision for the
patient.
patient.
They
They
provide
provide
expertise
expertise
about the
about the
composition of
composition of
drugs,
drugs,
including
including
chemical,
chemical,
biological, and
biological, and
physical
physical
properties,
properties,
as well as
as well
on
as
use.
on use.
We have to
We have to
ensure drug
ensure drug
purity and
purity and
strength.
strength.
We have
We
to
have to
ensure
ensure
do
do
not
not
interact with
interact
in a
in a
harmful
harmful
way.
way.
So, what
So,
is
what is
drug
drug
interaction
interaction
or
or
any
any
interaction
interaction
with
with
harmful way
harmful way
means?
means?
So,
So,
here,
here,
if you
if you
observe
observe
any drug
any drug
interaction
interaction
or
or
the
the
reaction
reaction
between two
between two
drugs or
drugs
two
or
or
two
more
or more
drugs.
drugs.
So, if
So,
the
if the
drug that
drug that
interacts with
interacts with
any
any
food or
food or
beverage or
beverage or
any
any
supplement,
supplement,
so during
so
that
during that
condition, we
condition, we
observed some
observed
drug
some drug
interactions will be
interactions will be
occur.
occur.
So that
So the
drug-drug
drug-drug
interactions, it
interactions,
comes
it
under
comes under
pharmacodynamic
pharmacodynamic
interactions.
interactions.
And in
And
case
in
of,
case of,
if we
if we
observed that
observe that
absorption,
absorption,
distribution,
distribution,
metabolism, and
metabolism, and
excretion will be
excretion will be
affected means
affected means
it comes
it
under
comes under
pharmacokinetic
pharmacokinetic
interaction.
interaction.
So
So
here
here
after
after
that,
that,
what is
what is
pharmacy? So
pharmacy?
here
So
that
here that
pharmacy is
pharmacy
a
is a
branch of
branch of
science
science
and
and
science of
science of
medicine
medicine
that
that
links
links
health
health
science
science
with the
with the
chemical and
chemical and
physical
physical
science,
science,
the
the
discovery,
discovery,
development,
development,
production,
production,
manufacturing,
manufacturing,
distribution of
distribution of
medicines for
medicines for
mankind.
mankind.
Drugs are
Drugs are
substances
substances
used to
used to
darkness.
darkness.
They
They
prevent,
prevent,
cure,
cure,
or
or
relieve the
relieve the
symptoms of a
symptoms of a
disease.
disease.
So here,
So here,
pharmacist has
pharmacist
the
has the
knowledge,
knowledge,
skill, and
skill, and
expertise to be
expertise to be
trusted
trusted
with
with
patient health.
patient health.
Pharmacists are
Pharmacists are
among the
among the
most
most
accessible
accessible
healthcare
healthcare
professionals,
professionals,
and they
and
treat
they
and
treat and
prevention of
prevention of
diseases.
diseases.
So this is
So this
nothing
is
but
nothing
a
but a
complete
complete
job
job
opportunities
opportunities
mainly
mainly
present
present
in our
in our
pharmacy
pharmacy
professionals.
professionals. So first of all, here they are broadly categorized in two divisions like practice setting and other settings. So here in that practice setting, they are having three divisions are there. In that first one is nothing but community, community pharmacy. Second one is nothing but hospital pharmacy, and third one is nothing but clinical pharmacy, and another one is nothing but other settings like academics and clinical research and regulatory. So after that, if they are interested in industry, so we will like production, quality assurance, research and development, quality control, packaging, regulatory, and sales and manufacturing. All these fields are available. So let us discuss one by one. So what is community pharmacy? So here the community pharmacy is also known as retail pharmacy, which allows public access to the medication. So in case of hospital pharmacy, so the department within hospital, they prepare, compound, stock, dispense inpatient medication. Clinical pharmacy is nothing but they provide patient care, medication management, and their collaboration with healthcare professionals. So some of them they are interested on academics. So if they are entered in academics, so they have two divisions are there. One is teaching and another one is nothing but research. So what is clinical research? Clinical research is nothing but it is a comprehensive study of the safety and effectiveness of the most promising advances in the patient care. So after that, regulatory settings. In that regulatory settings, which one mainly interaction between government or industry, and another one is nothing but market. So here that regulatory, industry and market in between, they have to get some good products to the market. That is nothing but regulatory aspect. And another one, production. In case of industry, we will see all those things like production. So in that production is nothing but we have to make our manufacturing from components or raw materials. Second one is nothing but quality assurance. Quality assurance is nothing but, so here the defect identification mainly identified by the quality assurance department, and they are focused on product only, and research and development. So it is a set of innovative activities undertaken by the corporatives or government. Develop after that we have to develop new drug products. And quality control. Quality control is nothing but here which one mainly defect on control of the pharmaceutical products, and which one focused on processing only. And regulatory, so already we discussed this earlier also, that which one mainly responsible for obtaining approval for new pharmaceutical products. So finally, sales and marketing. So that sales and marketing both are different. Sales means to fulfill the demand, and marketing is nothing but we have to create a new demand. So these are all various branches or job opportunities mainly available in the pharmacy professionals. So after that, this is the pharmacy. These are all available in pharmacy sector. So in that first one is nothing but production and manufacturing, and second one is nothing but formulation and development. Third one, quality assurance and quality control, drug regulatory affairs, and pharmaceutical packaging technology, and research and development, hospital pharmacy, community pharmacy, and another one is academics and marketing. And some of them they are entered in government jobs and regulatory bodies and chemist shop, entrepreneurship, opportunities in abroad and higher studies. So one by one we will discuss. And here first of all that production and manufacturing. Manufacturing is responsible for implementing and operating the production system in order to promote a product, including purchase, distribution, and installation, all those things which are mainly concerned manufacturing only. And here some of the regulatory bodies also mainly comes under pharmacy. That is nothing but FDA, ICH, WHO, TGA, like that. ICH means Internal Council for Harmonization requirements for pharmaceutical for human use, and TGA is nothing but therapeutic goods administration. These are all various regulatory bodies. So some of them they are entered in regulatory bodies also. And entrepreneurship, that entrepreneurship is nothing but it is a running pharmacies which requires a diverse set of skills. So these are also various job opportunities related to pharmacy sector. So one is a pharmacist if they are looking for job in as a pharmacist, registered as a pharmacist, they are easily entered in industry or they are easily entered in hospital or clinical or community pharmacist. And second one is nothing but pharmacoepidemiologist. In that pharmacoepidemiologist is nothing but here it is an interaction between drug and human population and complete that benefits and risks and use of drugs that and all mainly involved in pharmacoepidemiology itself. And data analyst, so it is an latest emerging field. So that data analyst in this they concerned with reviews data to identifying key sites into a business customers and where the data can be used to solve the problems. That is nothing but data analyst. And some of them they are interested on retail or wholesale chemist or druggist business. So here that sale of goods in bulk and at cheaper rates. That is nothing but retail pharmacist and preparing prescription to the patient, not allowed in India. This one not allowed in India. And drug therapist, here drug therapist is nothing but the therapy means treatment. So here some drugs by using some chemical substances to treat various pathogenesis conditions or disease conditions is called as drug therapy only. And another one is nothing but drug inspector. Here drug inspector, what is the main role of drug inspector means is responsible for auditing and checking the quality of drugs to make sure that they are safe for public consumption. Drug analyst means that chemical analysis and test on wide variety of samples, test new methods of analysis for future laboratory use. That is the difference between drug inspector and analyst. These both are considered government services only. And another one is nothing but academician. So it completely depends on teaching of pharmacy or it is an teaching only. And chemical or drug technician. Chemical or drug technician, he monitors chemical processing and test products quality to make some same that they meet standards and specifications. And another one pathological lab. That pathological lab it performs or it concerns tests done on clinical specimens that are found about the diseased condition. That is nothing but pathological lab. And some of them they are interested to enter in research and development. And already previously also we discussed that one, basic and applied research and development division. And biotech industries, that biotech industries they are concentrate on technology based biology, cellular and biomolecular process to develop biotechnology and products help to improve our lives and health. Sales and marketing, and another one knowledge processing outsourcing. So here pharmaceutical and biotech and research and development segment, that and all comes under knowledge process outsourcing. Clinical research organizations and member of regulatory organizations like FDA and WHO. These are all various job opportunities that are mainly present in our pharmacy sector. So opportunity horizon. In case of they are completed in B.Pharm or after completion of B.Pharm and M.Pharm, some of them they are interested on business. After completion of B.Pharm, they are entered to running own industry or own distribution or agency or pharmacy shop. And some of them they are interested on government organizations and pharma industries, hospital pharmacists, research institutes, food and cosmetic industries, clinical pharmacy, clinical research organization, and community pharmacy, pharma marketing, and academic jobs. Academic jobs like teaching only. And these are all various pharmaceutical companies that are available in our pharmacy field. This is nothing but injection, capsule, and tablet, and complete pharmaceutical product. So if we are entered in pharmaceutical industry, so we have to concentrate on three things: whether R&D, research and development, or if we are entered in production, or if we are entered in marketing. So we have to observe all those things. So in that, first one is nothing but formulation. So it is a multi-step process. Whether the active drug is mixed with all other components, that is known as formulation. Another one is nothing but quality assurance and quality control, and bioanalytical section or division. So it is a process of identifying and quantifying drugs and metabolites within the various biological materials within blood, plasma, serum, and cerebrospinal fluid, saliva, urine, like that. And another one is nothing but technology transfer. So here the technology transfer is nothing but the transferring product and process knowledge between develop and manufacturing process. And last one is nothing but, so if you are entered in production, so we have to observe tablet production and tablet preparation, capsule, injection, cosmetics and nutraceuticals. Nutraceuticals is nothing but mineral supplements and phytonutrients and prebiotic and probiotics, that and all mainly comes under nutraceuticals only. And some of them, they are concentrated on marketing, like sales promotion, sales executive and product development, and manager also, marketing manager also. So what can I do with a pharmacy degree? So complete pharmacy degree, if you are registered as a pharmacist or not registered as a pharmacist, we are having so many job opportunities are there. So in case of practice as a pharmacist, so primary care pharmacist, here that primary care pharmacist is nothing but we are managing medicine, maximizing benefit and minimizing the risk of the pharmaceutical product. That and all mainly comes under primary care pharmacist. So in that various departments are there. In that first one is nothing but consultant pharmacist. Consultant pharmacist, they providing expert advice on clinical pharmacy. General practice pharmacist is nothing but it is a non-dispensing pharmacist. They deliver clinical and education services to the patient. And third one is nothing but aged care pharmacist. Support provide to older people who need help in their own home or can no longer live at home. So they need this aged care pharmacist. And aboriginal health services pharmacist. Here they are free pharmaceutical benefit scheme. It comes under free pharmaceutical benefit scheme. So it is available in remote areas. They can order medicine from approved suppliers. And diabetes educator. This one also mainly comes under primary care pharmacist. So healthy professionals who possess comprehensive knowledge of experience in pre-diabetes, diabetes and prevention management. So that and all mainly comes under diabetes educator. And poisons information specialist. In that they receive and response to telephonic inquiries from general public, healthcare practitioners and other agencies regarding poison and drugs. And second one is nothing but community pharmacist. Here that community pharmacist, first one is a consulting pharmacist. Defense also is a defense force pharmacist. After completion of diploma, they are work for Navy, Army, Air Force. That and all mainly comes under defense force pharmacist. And a mental health pharmacist, it is completely depends on psychiatric problem or psychiatric disorders like mental status of the patient, like mania, depression, that and all. And second division community pharmacist. So here that community pharmacist, consultant pharmacist, pharmaceutical drugs into specially flavored liquids with topical creams and transdermal preparations and suppositories. Which one mainly comes under consultant pharmacist? They concentrate on that only. And professional service pharmacist. So the action or set of actions undertaken in or organized by the pharmacy. So some of them community levels like employee pharmacist and pharmacist in change and pharmacy manager like that and also mainly comes under community level only. And another division, hospital pharmacist, e-med pharmacist. E-med pharmacist is nothing but e-prescription or ERA. So that computer-based electronic generated transmission and filing of medical prescription, that is nothing but e-med pharmacist and steward pharmacist. They facilitate the safe and appropriate use of antimicrobial drugs, that is nothing but steward pharmacist and clinical pharmacist and another one clinical trial pharmacist. Discharge liaison pharmacist. Discharge liaison pharmacist is concerned with nursing care after they leave the hospital. And another division, medication safety pharmacist, able to impact medication safety at the individual patient level through medicament and management skills. So that and all mainly comes under medication safety pharmacist. And at the hospital level, initially they are entered in director of pharmacy and they may involve in the director of pharmacy and the area health district director of pharmacy, that and all. And another part, if they are concentrate on government or NGO pharmacist, in that first one is nothing but therapeutic good administration. So which one mainly responsible for product distribution, import, export, manufacturing of medical products, medicinal products, and NPS medicine wise, that NPS is nothing but National Prescribing Services. It is an independent, not-for-profit provides information about the medicine. So it is free only. It provides free of medical test also. And Australian Department of Health. So this one also mainly called as aged care pharmacist. And the therapeutic advisory groups like NSW and TAG. That NSW is nothing but New South Valley therapeutic advisory group. So here they are use of quality medicine in NSW hospitals. And after that, therapeutic advisory groups like NSW and TAG and the State Ministry of Health and the professional bodies like PSA, PTA and SSPA. These are also one of the division of the government or non-government or industry pharmacist. Like here that PSA is nothing but prostate specific antigen. It is a protein produced by normal and malignant cells of the prostate gland. In case of PGA, it is an polygranular autoimmune syndrome. So in this condition, we observe that multiple endocrine gland insufficiency will be there. So that's why it is also known as autoimmune polyendocrine syndrome. And some accreditations also is there. Accreditation and the regulatory bodies also available. So here, mainly in our pharmacy, two things we have to discuss. CDF-CO and DCT. So that CDF-CO is nothing but Central Drug Standard Control Organization. DCT stands for Department of Chemical and Petrochemicals. And some of them they are concentrated on sales and marketing, and some of them they entered in research and development and medical affairs associate and manufacturing and quality control and medical science liaison and medical information writer and regulatory affairs and pharmacovigilance. Here the pharmacovigilance is nothing but here concerns with drug safety, collection, detection, assessment and monitoring and prevention of adverse effects associated with pharmaceutical products. And own health or medical business also. And not registered as a pharmacist, they are entered in so many areas like research and education. Research and education, higher research degrees like PhD and postdoctorate. After that, hospital scientist and a senior hospital scientist and pharmacy academia. And at the academic level, initially they are entered in a lecture and associate lecture and a senior lecture, and then after that they are followed by associate professor and professor. And in case of other health professionals like CAMSET, so here that is nothing but it is a medical school admissions test, which was mainly used to select candidates applied to study medicine, density, optometry, veterinary, that and all mainly comes under CAMSET only. So, the density will comprise modules in anatomy, physiology, biology, and patient care, pharmacology also. Optometry, it concerns with the eyesight and contractive lenses, and medical or density degree, example MD or DMD. After that, that's followed by doctor or dentist only. And another one is nothing but sales and marketing. So here sales and some of them they are concentrated on sales and marketing, and some of them they are entered in brand management and online marketing, digital marketing, marketing communication and marketing research. So if they are entered in brand management, so we have to concern the practice of planning, developing, maintaining and monitoring the brand to create a strong and positive image in minds of the consumer. So if they entered in online marketing, so that pharmaceutical digital marketing uses strategies and technologies to promote products to the right audiences across digital channels. So digital marketing is nothing but that uses the internet and online based digital technologies such as desktops, computers, mobile phones, digital media to promote products and services. And after that, consulting jobs. Some of them they are comes under this role comes under consulting jobs like strategy consulting, research, analytical, process excellence, consumer goods like that. So in case of strategy consulting, when beginners engage with consultants for advice and support on how to develop and implement and sustain business goals, that and all it comes under strategy consulting. In case of some of them they are concentrate on research and development, and some of them they are entered in analytical and process excellence also. In that process
Hello, ma'am.
excellence, sir.
Yes, ma'am. Sorry to interrupt you once again. There are some messages from the participants that your voice is echoing as well. If it is possible to mute one device, that they can easily hear your voice clearly, ma'am. They are eagerly waiting for the active participation.
Okay. So actually, one only. Now, sir.
Hello.
Sir.
Yeah, ma'am. Now it is clearly audible.
Okay. Sales and marketing jobs. So here that sales and marketing jobs, some of them they are concentrated on sales and marketing and brand management, online marketing, digital marketing communication and market research like that. So many things are there. So if they entered in brand management, so they concerned with the practice of planning, developing, maintaining and monitoring a brand to create a strong and positive image in mind of consumers. So online marketing is nothing but pharmaceutical digital marketing, use of strategies and technologies to promote products to the right audience across digital channels. And in case of digital marketing, that uses the internet and online based digital technologies such as desktops, computers and mobile phones, digital media. So that and all to promote products and services. And market research is nothing but so evaluating drug market size, patient demographies, competitive analysis and precision strategies and pharmaceutical sales trends that and all mainly comes under market research. And market communication, so they advertising, personal selling, word of mouth and interactive marketing, direct marketing and public relations and sales promotion that and all mainly comes under marketing communication. And some of them which comes under consulting jobs like strategy consulting, research, analytical, process excellence, consumer goods, strategy excellence, strategy consulting. So in this, when business engage with consultants for advice and support on how to develop and how to implement and sustain business goals, and in case of some of them, they are interested on research, and some of them entered in analytical, and some of them entered on process excellence. In case of process excellence, they are concerned with making process more efficient and effective through design and testing. And consumer goods. Consumer goods is nothing but goods that consumes buy to satisfy their needs, like for example cosmetics, food, cigarettes, medication, and the cleaning products. That and all main examples for consumer goods. And some special career opportunities also is there, like nuclear pharmacy, nutrition supporting pharmacy, and oncology pharmacy, psychiatric pharmacy, forensic pharmacy, poison control, pharmacotherapy, geriatric and pediatric pharmacy. That and all various career opportunities mainly present in our pharmacy sector. What is nuclear pharmacy? Here, that nuclear pharmacy completely focusing on radio pharmaceuticals and preparation of radioactive substances for patient. And nutrition support pharmacy is nothing but it concerned with parenteral and eternal nutrients. And oncology pharmacy is nothing but it concerned with chemotherapy or especially in cancer patients. And psychiatric pharmacy is concerned with mental health of the patient or psychotic disorder. And forensic pharmacy is nothing but here that criminalist application of the legal issue. And poisons control. Here that poisons are hazardous substances we have to control or how to avoid the poisonous substances, that and all. So that and all it comes under poisonous control. And pharmacotherapy, here that pharmacotherapy is also known as pharmacological therapy. So here one or more drugs we are used to treat the pathogenesis condition or disease condition. So that is nothing but pharmacotherapy. In case of geriatric or pediatric pharmacy, completely that geriatric and pediatric pharmacy is nothing but it concerned with pediatric means infants and geriatric means elderly patients. So, nature of the work. Based on the nature of the work, like a clinical pharmacist, hospital pharmacist, retail pharmacist, industrial pharmacist, research pharmacist. So they have so many divisions are there. So what is clinical pharmacist? Here that clinical pharmacist is nothing but clinical pharmacy is an clinical pharmacy is the branch of pharmacy that clinical pharmacists often work in collaboration with physicians, nurse practitioners, and other healthcare professionals. So in case of hospital pharmacists, the tasks are to produce stock, prepare and dispense medicines, drugs, other medical accessories. The person has to undertake responsibility for stock control, storage, placing order, labeling, financial budgeting, account keeping for the dispensary. The pharmacists are expected to meet patients, doctors, and nurses to discuss the supply of medicines and appropriate form of drugs for administration. So then, this is nothing but a hospital pharmacist. And the retail pharmacist, the task is in a retail store. The pharmacist prepares and dispenses drugs on prescription to the general consumer. With the growing availability of pre-packed dosages, the pharmacist completely they monitor the drug sale on the basis of prescription and dosages. Retail pharmacists give over-the-counter advice on how to use or how to prescribe the drugs. And industrial pharmacist here, while most of the people they are involved in the production of pre-formulated medicine or pre-formulated preparations. Industrial pharmacists carry out clinical trials where drugs tested for quality, safety, and effectiveness. supervision of the production process, packaging, storage, and delivery work in marketing, sales, and quality control. So in case of research pharmacists, that they are engaged in research activities in pharmaceutical companies, research organizations and laboratories for the for search of better drug molecule development and formulation. So skills of pharmacists, that skills of pharmacists, they are broadly categorized in three categories. In that, first one is nothing but hard skills, soft skills, and qualification. Hard skills is nothing but it is a specific, measurable, and teachable ability that related to your job and performance. And soft skills, so these are all examples for hard skills only: pharmacology, pharmacognosy, chemistry, pharmaceutical chemistry, like that. So many are there. And in case of soft skills, these completely depends on area which pharmacist is working. For sales and marketing, pharmacist should be an eloquent speaker. He should have good communication skills and also should be open to learn kind of person. Good interpersonal skills should be able to create a good impact on patient mind. So qualification here, diploma in pharmacy like D Pharm and Bachelor of Pharmacy B Pharm, Pharm D, post graduation like M Pharm, post graduation in management studies like MBA, and Pharm D, um, sorry, PhD in pharmacy branches, postdoctorate like India and abroad. So now we discuss about that diploma in pharmacy. So if they are finished in a diploma or D pharmacy, actually they are eligible for entered in a retailer, or they are establishing shop or medical shop, new medical shop, and they act as dispensing pharmacist also. And after completion of diploma, if they are interested, means they are entered in graduation like B Pharm, and some of them they are entered in marketing like a medical representative, and can give their license on rent or salary to establish medicine retail shop with working as a qualified person in established shop. And in case of bachelor in pharmacy, like D pharmacy, in that pharmaceutical industry like QC and QA production or manufacturing, and some of them they are entered in regulatory affairs. So we have to find new drug applications in that area. And marketing like medical representative or medical field like a marketing manager, like that. Drug inspector, some of them they interested on drug inspector, and some of them they are entered in post graduation studies like MBA and MPharm, and clinical research and insurance sector, and various certificate courses also available in management and industrial applications also. These are all also various opportunities mainly available in pharmacy sector, like career paths for BPharm graduates, like medical underwriter, medical device and quality control manufacturing, drug inspector, pharmacist and pharmaceutical marketing, and pathological lab scientist, and health inspector, and chemical or drug technician, like that. So many are available. QA associate and QC associate, they are working in working for production or packing and formulation and development, research and development. So they act as a hospital pharmacist, sales and marketing executive, food and drug administrator, and scientific writer or drug inspector. Some of them they are entered in academics and government pharmacist post, and some of them are interested in clinical research associate, retail or wholesale pharmacy or food science, like that. So after completion of Form D, so they are concentrated on two things. Either if they are willing to enter in academics or pharmacy manager. So if they are entered in academics, research scientist, they act as a research scientist or regulatory affairs manager, clinical trials, medical writer, clinical pharmacist and pharmacist. And other than academics, that pharmacy manager, like that pharmacovigilance officer, drug safety officer, data management officer, and pharmacoepidemiologist, ADR reporting officer, and pharmacometrics, like that. So many things are available. Post-graduation or management studies, after completion of that, MBA in pharmaceutical management is good option for students pursuing B Pharm. Scope in pharmaceutical marketing is commencing one who adopts this career, the sky is the limit for him. A pharmaceutical marketing executive is a key player in the pharmaceutical marketing sector. So that MPharm is 2 years course specially focused on research activities. What are the main branches available in post-graduation or PG studies means pharmaceutics, pharmacology, pharmaceutical chemistry, pharmacognosy, quality assurance, industrial pharmacy, pharma management, and clinical pharmacy. That and all mainly comes under that PG and PhD in pharmacy branches. So after completion of PhD, so if they are willing means they are entered in academics or research and development. Some of them they are concentrate on formulation and development, analytical development, contract research organization, and contract manufacturing organization, contract development manufacturing and organization also. So what is the difference between these three things mean that CRO, CMO and CDM. So in case of CRO, contract research organization, so which one mainly called as clinical research, they may design, monitor and trial and analysis the result. That is the main role of contract research organization. And in case of contract manufacturing organization, so here in this, they concentrate on contract-based drug development and manufacturing services. They are concentrate on those things only. And in case of CMO, contract manufacturing organization, the product and pharmaceutical from research and development to packaging and delivering, that and all mainly comes under contract manufacturing organization. And contract development organization is nothing but management, is nothing but manufacturing, is nothing but it is an contract based drug development and manufacturing services. That and all mainly comes under contract development manufacturing. And post-graduation, after completion of post-graduation, so they are entered in academics or research and development scientists, basic or applied research, and the CROs is nothing but clinical research organization, and some of them they entered in contract manufacturing organization, and some of them they concentrate on production and knowledge process outsourcing, and some of them they concentrate on intellectual property rights and regulatory compliance. Intellectual property rights is nothing but legal rights that given to inventor or creator to protect his invention or creation for a certain
Hello,
period
ma'am.
of time. Hello. Sir.
Sorry to interrupt you. Your slide is not visible from our end.
Sir, is it this?
Yeah, please share it once more.
Is it visible, sir?
No, ma'am.
No. Actually, is there? Sir, now is it okay, sir?
No, ma'am. Now it is also not visible from our end.
Not visible, but why I don't know actually. I shared. Now, sir? Sir?
No, ma'am.
No?
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, sorry. Postdoctorate India and abroad. So after completion of postdoctorate India and abroad, so they concentrate on academics, research and development, and formulation and development, analytical development, contract research organization, contract manufacturing organization, contract development manufacturing organization. Like that, so many things are there. So if they are interested, anyone field easily they can enter. So that is nothing but the GRE, graduate record examination. So it is an standardized examination conducted by the ETS. ETS is nothing but Educational Testing Service, United States of America. It measures the potential candidate which almost all the graduate schools and universities abroad demand for the purpose of the admission. So program admissions and NAPLEX is nothing but North American Pharmacist Licensure Examination. The NAPLEX is developed by the National Association of Boards of Pharmacy and is used by the boards of pharmacy as a part of their evaluation of competence to their practice pharmacy. The NAPLEX has been designed to assess how well candidates can apply their knowledge, learning, and skills to actual practice situations and evaluate their ability to meet the responsibilities of the practice of pharmacy at entry-level competence. And NAPLEX is a computer-based examination that uses adaptive test technology to deliver a mixture of selected response and constructed response test questions. How can I become a pharmacist USA from India? So we can apply and take the foreign pharmacy graduate equivalence exam, top test of English as a foreign language. It is called as TOEFL. Obtain foreign pharmacy graduation examination committee certification and take the North American pharmacist licensure examination like NAPLEX. Take the pharmacy law test and prepare for TOEFL and FPG, EE and NAPLEX jurisprudence exam. And we have to apply for the exam for India. Once you get your application cleared, apply for visiting visa for USA. Within the visa period, clear the TOEFL, FPGGE and NAPLEX exam in USA. You need to do some 6 months and 8 hours of internship there itself. And multi-state pharmacy jurisprudence examination. Here, the multi-state jurisprudence examination are multi-state MPJE examination. It combines federal and specific questions to test and pharmacy jurisprudence knowledge of prospective pharmacists. It serves as the pharmacy law examination in participating jurisdiction and test a candidate mastery of pharmacy law. And after that, finally, the pharmaceutical industry, already we discussed earlier itself. So here in that pharmaceutical industry itself, so many things are there. So if you are entered in production, that production or manufacturing is the process of synthesis of pharmaceutical drugs. What is the eligibility of that production means B Pharm and D Pharm both are eligible for that. And quality assurance, in this field, there are several works for pharmacists such as making BPR and BMR, data entry also. And BPR is nothing but batch packing record and BMR is nothing but batch manufacturing record. So what is the eligibility means? B Pharm, D Pharm, both are eligible for that. And research and development, in this field, we research a new chemical entity or drug for acting against any type of disease. So the eligibility is nothing but B Pharm, M Pharm and PhD also. Quality control, in this field, that pharmacists perform some chemical tests for checking the quality of the drug. The eligibility is B Pharm and D Pharm and BSc chemistry people also eligible for that quality control. And packaging, we can also do packaging area here with the process of packing with the product details. Eligibility B Pharm and D Pharm both are eligible. And in that regulatory field, this area, pharmaceutical industry, where we regulate and maintain all the work industry, like B Pharm and M Pharm professionals also eligible for that sector, for this sector. And sales and marketing, here pharmacist sells drug directly as well as indirectly through the pharmaceutical industry to the medical and patient. Eligibility B Pharm, D Pharm, both are eligible for that sales and marketing field. And some pharmaceutical companies like Sun Pharmaceutical Industry Limited, Mumbai, and Lupin, and Dr. Reddy's Lab, and Cipla multinational company, and Glenmark, and Mankind, like that. These are all various pharmaceutical companies. So if they are interested after B Pharm or diploma, easily they can enter in some pharmaceutical companies also. And what are the other career opportunities in B Pharm or Pharm D or M Pharm or postgraduates or graduates means? Easily they are entered in academics, and as a PhD holder can teach in all pharmacy courses. In case of MPharm holder can teach BPharm and diploma, and BPharm holder can teach diploma students and pharmacovigilance and clinical research and data analysis. What is the eligibility means? BPharm and MPharm. So wholesale and retail sale business, medical and wholesale agency of drug, eligibility B Pharm and diploma, and railway pharmacist, competitive exam for railway pharmacist. So if they are eligible in that entrance exam means easily they will get that railway pharmacist opportunity. And eligibility B Pharm should be registered. And the drug inspector that eligibility B Pharm with 18 months experience in manufacturing or testing of Schedule C and C1 drugs. What are the drugs which comes under C and C1 drugs means vaccines and some serums and toxins mainly comes under C and C1 category. And finally, conclusion. So here I conclude that pharmacy graduates offered many opportunities and learned wide variety of things, but educating patients about their medication therapy is always the most important. The discipline of pharmacy has a good future. They are offering wide range of employment opportunities with an excellent salary. Only with an undergraduate degree, one may easily enter into pharmaceutical associated jobs, and however, one can take up teaching or research as a career with a MPharm and PhD degree also. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am, for this
Thank you.
wonderful
Sorry for the
presentation.
interruption. Actually, some disturbances are there, sir. Technical issues.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Am I clearly audible, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, yeah. Thank you for this wonderful presentation regarding all aspects about the opportunities in abroad and opportunities in our India as well in different field like manufacturing or QA/QC and research.
Yes, sir.
So I'm requesting to the participant if there are any specific question from your end, please share with us, and ma'am will be there to answer it in a correct way. Now this session is over to the all participants. Now feel free to ask your question. You can unmute and ask, or else you just write it in the chat box as well. I hope there is no question from the participant.
Okay. Yes, sir.
And they are all got your
Thank you.
presentation in a very good way. And
Okay,
I
sir.
have one
Thank you so
question,
much.
ma'am, for you,
Sir.
and
Sir.
that is that you shared about the future in abroad, and as
Sir.
well as the after completion of their BPharm and diploma, they have the chance to got the Pharm D. And what about the aspects after completion of the BPharm or completion of the MPharm? What about the best option to go for Pharm D?
If they are interested means MS also available, and if they
Yeah.
are
Like
TOEFL like
someone
that
is
GRE.
looking for go to abroad for after completion of
Okay.
the pharmacy. So which
Okay.
one is the best career after completion of B Pharm, after completion of M Pharm, or after completion of
Okay.
Pharm D?
So MS only, but if they
Yeah.
are interested means GRE TOEFL. If they are eligible after, then only they entered, and they have to finish all those things.
Yes. So after that completion of their B
Yes,
Pharm, they
sir.
have to clear the abroad exams as well.
If they are interested means, so initially they have to apply GRE TOEFL.
Yeah.
Then they will enter in.
Okay, okay. Ma'am,
furthermore.
is there any specification they have to prepare for JRE TOEFL departed from that particular pharmacy field that they have to need more further classification for that?
Clinical side is best, I think.
Okay. So apart from the pharmacy education, they have to need about the clinical aspects for pharmacy,
Yes, yes,
so that they can get easily clear the exams as well. I hope so.
yes, yes, sir.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. So another question I hope one in the chat box from the Sonu Kumar Jadhav. Ma'am, as you explained, different scope in private sector,
Sir.
but is there a broad scope in government jobs or limited jobs? Like I hope he is asking about the scopes in government sector as well.
Sir.
Yeah, yeah.
In government sector, few are available, sir.
Yeah,
Um,
that is. I hope we hope you have already discussed about drug inspector and the different
it's
scopes
a
there.
drug inspector,
Yeah, yeah,
like that.
yeah. And another question from the Sachin Visas, ma'am, after BPharm, MPharm, or MBA, which have more scope?
MBA only. If they are entered in marketing, so business administration like that. So MBA is the best option. So if they concentrate in PG studies or if they are entered in research or academics, so MPharm is the best option.
Okay, I hope Sonu and Sachin both you are getting the answer. If there is no question, then I go for the conclusion of today's program. Actually, that is a wonderful program that we have already arranged. That there are so many participants have registered for this careers guidance talk from ma'am's end, and like we have crossed almost 200 participants plus. So I really thankful for the participants to showing your interest, and thank you to our eminent speaker for today. And for a token of appreciation, we have one certificate to you, ma'am. I am just sharing the certification. Just wait a bit, ma'am. Ma'am, is it visible from your end?
Sir, not it, sir. Not it visible.
Okay, I just share the same with you in your official mail address as well.
Okay, okay.
And thank you, ma'am, for your
Thank
kind
you, sir.
cooperation
Thank you
with
so much,
us,
sir.
and thank you for your valuable speech as well, ma'am.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Wait for a bit. I'm sharing the today's feedback link in the chat box. Please try to be fill the attendance link today.